It is done. So hot. So hot, guys. I'm making Nigerian Okpa. How to prepare Nigerian Okpa. See the sieve. I'm taking it off. One of the best meal we have in Nigeria. I'm trying to sieve the Okpa. That is why I'm doing this. I'm sieving the Okpa. As in sieving off because this is already blended. It's like a seed. But I already blended the seed. So this is the powder. You see what I'm removing? Okay. I'll be making this quantity. The next thing I'll be adding now. The next thing next to be added is going to be my original oil from the village. This is the powder of the Okpa. Now I'm adding oil. I like my Okpa so oily. So now that I've added oil, the next thing I do is to massage it. There's nothing added. What I have here is just my Okpa and oil. So let me massage it very well. Nigerian Okpa. I'm still massaging it to make sure it will not have lumps. Keep doing it this way. The next thing I'll be adding here is warm water. Warm water. So I'm adding my warm water now. As I've added my warm water, I continue massaging it. If it looks like maybe you've added too much water, you adjust it again with some flour. Wash to the end. You're seeing these small lumps in here. I'll massage it till the lumps all disappear. Remember, I'm using warm water. Not cold water, but warm water. These lumps, I'll massage it till the lumps all disappears. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Remember what I said we are making Okpa. Okpa. I'm making Okpa. It is time to put my pepper, Uziza. Time to put my pepper. Put my pepper. What I have in here is my pepper, Uziza. Is what we call Uziza in my native dialect. That is what I have in here. Fresh pepper. Fresh pepper. Uziza. Then I'll be adding my native salt. So at this point, I need to add more water to it. Remember, it is warm water. Let me add more water to it. Adding more water to it. And watch me still massage it more. The water is warm water. I will be adjusting it with more water to it. I still need more water. This is still more warm. It is time to scoop it. When you tie it, you give gap so that when it's rising, you can see space. See the way it is. Remember, I'm still tying the upper. Well, ready to put water by the side. This is warm water. Time to put it on the fire. On the fire. We'll be back. It is done. So hot. So hot, guys. This is our okpa. So let's see what it looks like. So floppy and lovely. You're gonna like it. So nice. It is given, guys. Yeah, it's ready. It's hot, but I'll try to open it for you. Oh,